So today, let us write a program in Python for generating a random strong password. So password generator program is what we are going to learn today. Let's begin. So welcome to PyCharm. And now what we need to do is first we need to import a module, and that is the random module. This module is used for generating the random numbers. Okay, next module that we require is the string module, and it is also very important module. Using the string module we can actually have all the characters, digits, and the punctuations. So these two modules, that is the random module and the string module, we require for generating a random password. Then what we need to do is we need to get the length, which will be a random number. And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the random module, random dot, and that is the method name is randint. Okay, that's the name of the method. To this method we need to provide two numbers. For example, if I provide 8 comma and 15, so what this is going to do is it is going to randomly select a number between 8 and 15. Okay, that is including 8 and 15. So any number between 8 and 15 will be randomly selected, and then that value, okay, the length is going to receive that value. And that's the use of the random module, and the method that we are using is the random int, that is randint. Okay, so this is how we can actually randomly generate a number. So obviously a password, it needs to be minimum of 8 characters and max it can have 15 characters, and that is the reason why I have taken this as 8 and 15. So we will generate a number between 8 and 15, and then we will, the length of the password will be of that length. Next, what we need to do is we need to generate the characters, all the characters, and how we can do that is using the string module. So this is the string module. Then I will say dot, and the method, I mean it's not the method, but it will just give the, when I say string dot the ASCII letters, it will just return all the ASCII letters, that is all the small case letters and the capital letters. Those are alphabets, right, from A to Z small and from A to Z capital letters, and it will be like one set of characters. Okay, I will just show you in a while. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these characters with the digits. Okay, that is 0 to 1, and that's the use of string module, as you can see, right? Again, I can use the string module and I can access the punctuations, all the punctuations that we have. Okay, now if you really want to see them separately, what I can do is, we can simply print them individually like this. See, this is the ASCII character, and then I will print the digits. Okay, so here are the digits, and then I will print the, that is punctuations. Okay, that's the spelling mistake, punctuation. Okay, so now if I run this just to show you, we will have the output. So here it is. You can see that is the ASCII letters, like all the small case letters A to Z, and then capital A to Z, right? And then the digits like C0 to 9, right? So, and then we have the all the punctuations over here, right? So what we are doing over here is we are just joining all the characters. And if I just print something like print and the characters, that is the variable, right, that we created. So what this is going to do is we are joining this plus these characters and the punctuations, right? So if I print this one more time, you can see we have this complete big string over here, and that is the characters. And now what we need to do is we need to just, you know, just mix them together for that particular length that we randomly selected. And how we can do that is, I'm just going to delete all this, and I will take a for loop, and for I in range, and I want the loop to go for the length iterations. So it will go for the number of length that the password has. For example, if length was selected as 10, so this loop will go for 10 iterations. And then what I will do, but just before that, I need one variable, that is password, and I will give that as an empty string. And then I will do password is equal to password plus, that's the empty string, and then again I require that random module dot and the choice. Now what this method will do is it will randomly choose one character from the set of characters, and I will choose from the set of characters that we have stored in this variable, that is these complete characters that we had right over here. So one of the character will be randomly selected, and then this will join with the password. So password is empty, so empty plus that character. And this we are going to repeat for how many times? For the length iterations. So if length is, for example, 10, so this will go for 10 times. And so we will have a set of 10 characters, which will be a mix of alphabets, numbers, and punctuations, right? And then I can simply print and say the, okay, your strong password is, and then comma, and then the variable password, right? Now if I run this, you can see that it is going to generate a password automatically. Obviously it's not automatically, we have coded for it. So, and this is how normally when we try to register ourselves on any website, it automatically the browser shows a strong password. So kind of this is the logic that is behind that, right? Now every time I run this code, you can see it is generating a new strong password for me. Okay, so this is how easily with the help of Python you can generate a password. So I hope you have learned, you have gained some knowledge, and if you really feel that I'm giving you some real content, then I would appreciate if you can like the video and subscribe to my channel, and you can share with your colleagues as much as possible. Sharing is, the more you share, the more you gain knowledge. Thank you so much.